Hi, boys and girls. In this learning video, we are going to learn about point of view. Point of view is the view from which the story is being told. It tells us who the person is who's telling the story. So when a story is being told, it could either be told by a character or a narrator. We are going to focus this week on character. If the story is being told by a character and how you'll know. So, if the story is being told by a character, you will know because it is going to use these key words in the story. The person telling the story will be using the words I because they're talking about themselves, or me, or my, or we, or our. So if these words are being used in the story, then you know it's a character telling the story. The point of view is coming from a character in the story. They are telling things the way they see it, or how they feel. Let's go ahead and take a look at a story. This story is called Rumpelstiltskin Returns. All right, so this is a chapter book, and we're only going to take a look at the first few pages because we want to see if we can tell who's telling this story. What point of view is this story being told from? So let's go ahead and read. Chapter 1. As I was walking home from school one day, I heard a voice calling, "Help me!" I looked around. There was no one there. "Help me!" the voice cried. "Help! This big stone is on top of me." I looked down and saw the big stone. Then I saw a little brown shoe sticking out from under it. So I rolled that big stone out of the way. Out popped a funny little man. He looked like his arms and legs had been made out of sticks, and his hair was like yellow cotton candy. All right, we're going to stop there because I have seen a lot of those clue words that I was looking for that are telling me who's telling the story, what the point of view is for this story. Did you see any of those words that we just went over? Think about it. All right, let's see. If you saw the word I and that told you, I know who's telling the story because it's saying I, that means a character's telling the story. It's from a character's point of view, then you got that right, friend. So, as I was walking home from school one day, I heard a voice calling. I looked around. That tells me it's a person saying the point of view of the story. They're using the word I. They're talking about themselves. On the next 2 pages, we see I looked down and saw the big stone. Then I saw a little brown shoe. So I rolled that big stone out of the way. This story is from the point of view of the boy. We don't know the boy's name yet in the story. We would have to continue reading to see if we found out his name, but we know that the story is being told by the boy. The point of view for this story is the character is telling the story, and the character that's telling it is the boy. All right, so remember, when a character is telling the story, we are going to see the words I, me, my, we, and our. Those are those clue words that are going to say a character's telling your story. Okay, so remember these words, I, me, my, we, our. All right, boys and girls, go ahead and do your point of view practice.